teachers. I am Savantusha Sanjay from 8th class. From 9th class. Today's morning assembly is presented by the 9th class. So today's Wednesday, date 5th August 2026. Friends, today's good thought is presented by the Viraj.
Good morning student, good morning teacher. I am Savan Viraj from my class. Today good thought. Hope is waking dream. असे आहे जागेपणाचे स्वप्न आहे.
Today's day special is presented by the Shiraj.
Good morning teacher. I am Savan Viraj Shivraj Savan from 9th class. Today day special World Flowers Day.
Today's Panchang is presented by the Viraj.
Good morning teacher. I am Savan Viraj from 9th class. Today's Panchang. Sunrise was 6:05 p.m. and sunset with 7:05 a.m.
Viraj, after Panchang, today's news headlines are presented by the President.
Students, good morning teacher. I am Patil Pradnya Sachin from 9th class. Today's news headlines. First, school across India are special program to celebrate National Honor in the tiredness of the medical. Second, India's Ministry of Road Transport and Highway toll charges news rates by reduction. That's the end of today's news headlines.
Today's morning story is presented by the myself. The story name of the time is a value. Once upon a time, there lived a man in a small village. Was a very view of the village. Today's called in the sun. So today's news headlines are presented. Today's story is moral is the time is the money. English is a very important language, and I think speaking English is also very important. So today's English conversation is playing by my friend Brunali and Akshay.
Students, good morning teachers. I am Jadhav Akshara Praveen from 9th class.
Today's conversation.
Hi Brunali. Hi Akshara. How are you?
I am fine, and how are you?
I am also fine. Where are you going?
I am going to navigate.
But why?
Because today's navigate market day, so I am going to navigate.
May I come with you?
Yes, why not? Come on, let's go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's translation is asking by Brunali. Today's translation. First, translate the following word into your video of instruction. Comedy. Right. Technology. Ishwari Didi. Right. Balance. Toy. Second, translate the following sentence into your video of instruction. My school is beautiful. Sharwari. Right. You are selfish.
You are selfish. One selfish.
तू स्वार्थी आहेस. Third, translate the following proverbs into your video of instruction. Every light has its shadow. Every light has its shadow. Sharwari. Right. Too much is too bad. Too much is too bad. Right. Thanks, Brunali. मित्र आज सामान्य ज्ञानावर प्रश्न विचारले.
सामान्य ज्ञानाचा प्रश्न पहिला. महाराष्ट्राचे पहिले मुख्यमंत्री कोण होते? शर्वरी. बरोबर. प्रश्न दुसरा. लिंबाच्या रसामध्ये कोणते ऍसिड असते? लिंबाच्या रसामध्ये कोणते ऍसिड असते? शर्वरी. बरोबर. प्रश्न तिसरा. रयत गीत केव्हा झाली? शर्वरी. बरोबर.